Hello, good morning. You are welcome to Mass Teacher TV. In today's episode, we are going to look at multiplication by 11 tricks. Let's start with multiplication by two-digit number. So that means we will multiply 11 by any two-digit number. For instance, let's take 11 times 17. In 11 times 17, let's forget about the 11th on your left hand side. Concentrate on this 17. We begin by saying, write this 17, leave a space, write 1, leave a space, and write 7. Now ask yourself, 1 times 7, the answer is 8. And this becomes your answer. Let's move ahead. 11 times 28. Concentrate on the 28. Write 2, leave a space, and write your 8. Ask yourself, 2 plus 8. The answer is 10. You put 0, carry 1. If I add the 1 to 2, I will get 3. Your answer becomes 308. Let's move on. 11 times 43. I write 4, leave a space, I write 3. Ask yourself, 4 plus 3. The answer is 7. That will give you 473. All right, let's continue. 11 times 56. Write 5, leave a space, write 6. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6, the answer will be 11. If it is 11, I put 1, carry 1, add the 1 to 5. If I add 1 to 5, I would get 6. So now, your answer becomes 616. Then the last one, 11 times 74. Write your 7, leave a space, write your 4. Add 7 to 4, I'll get 11. I'll put 1 here, carry 1. If I carry the 1, add it to 7, I will get 8. So this will give me 814. Let me see your answer on this in the comment section. Thank you. Let's continue to multiply 11 by any three-digit number. Here too, there is a trick. So let's continue. This is a three-digit number, 117. So first of all, consider the first two digits, which is 11. Consider the last two digits, which is 17. Good. Now, when you add 11 to 17, you get 28, but that is not a big deal. The deal is here. Pick the first number here, which is 1, and the last number here, which is 17. So you write 1. Leave 2 spaces because you will get two-digit number plus, and then you write your 7. So now, 11 plus 17 will give you 28. So this becomes your answer. Again, let's move to 2. Consider the first two digits, 22, plus add it to the last two digits, 28. Good. Now, when you add 22 to 28, I will get 50. So the first digit here is 2, leave 2 spaces because you will get a 2-digit number. And the last digit here is 8. I put 8 there. So now when you add 22 to 28, you will get 50. So you put 50 in the middle. And that becomes your answer. Let's move to 11 times 348. Consider the first two digits, 34, plus the last 2 digits, 48. And this will give us 82. But that's not the big deal. The deal is here. Your first digit here is 3. Your last digit here is 8. Now, when you add this to this, you get 82. So you write your 82 inside here. And that becomes the answer. Okay, the last one. 11 times 309. So the first 2 digits here, 30, plus the last 2 digits, which is 09. But obviously, you know 0 in front of any number is not significant. Once it is not a significant figure, we ignore the 0 and concentrate on the 9. So 30 plus 9. The answer will be 39. Good. So the first digit here is 3. 2 spaces. And the last digit here is what? Is 9. All right. So when you add 9 to 30, I will get 39. So your answer becomes 3,399. Good. Try your hands on this. And let me see your answer in the comments section. Subscribe to Maths Teacher TV on YouTube for more mathematics content.